Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence can replace human intelligence? Let's take a journey into the world of AI, a realm marked by astonishing advancements like self-driving cars and virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa. But as we marvel at these technological wonders, let's not forget the human brain, a marvel in its own right, with its unparalleled complexity and unique abilities. So, given the current state of AI, could it really replace the unique and complex human mind? Artificial intelligence has made some impressive strides. Consider the triumph of AlphaGo, an AI that outsmarted world champion Go players, or the AI systems that can predict medical conditions with uncanny accuracy. These feats weren't just programmed in, they were learned. You see, AI isn't a static entity. It grows, it adapts, it evolves. It's a testament to our own ingenuity, a mirror reflecting our potential. With all these advancements, it seems like AI is catching up to human intelligence, doesn't it? But AI has its limitations. While it's true that artificial intelligence has made strides in many fields, it still can't quite match up to the human brain. AI relies heavily on human input for learning, lacking the independent intuition that humans possess. Additionally, AI lacks emotional intelligence, unable to comprehend or respond to human feelings. When it comes to creativity and context understanding, AI also falls short, unable to think outside the box or grasp nuanced meanings. As impressive as AI is, it seems it still has a long way to go to truly replicate human intelligence. So, where does that leave us? Well, imagine a world where AI and human intelligence coexist, each complementing the other. Envision AI aiding us in decision-making, churning through data, and taking over mundane tasks. Meanwhile, we humans bring to the table creativity, empathy, and a deep understanding of context, something AI still grapples with. So while AI may not replace human intelligence, it certainly has a significant role to play in enhancing it. The future, it seems, is not about AI versus human intelligence, but about AI and human intelligence working together.